All right, what we're going to do now is look at a way to put content into our Google Classroom where we can add more than one or two links. So on our Classroom, one we created earlier, the Athens Google training, we were looking at our classwork, and I put the social studies Webmix collection in there. So how do we do that? All right, so when I click on it, it lets you actually see the collection of resources, which is great because now anybody that opens it can go to any of these resources by just clicking on the tile. So how we did that was we went to Symbaloo. And Symbaloo is like a kind of a friendlier version of Pinterest for a lot of our school systems. And this is a Webmix collection I have. And I have several. I have some that are made for college, right? Then I have some that are Alabama Virtual Library Interactive. And then I have a home Webmix where any tile goes to anything. But right now I'm more interested in my collection of social studies resources, right? So let's say that I go to my little Webmix collection here in Symbaloo, and I want to share these 20 resources. Well, I go to share. I go to sharing options, and then on the left here where it says Webmix info, I'm going to copy that link. Now, if I wanted to, if I'm not mistaken here, I think I can scroll down and see this better. It's not going to let me, is it? I'm going to copy that though. And that's the URL that I'm going to put, the one I just copied, into our classroom. So I can do that in right here where I create material. It's not a quiz or assignment or a question, it's material. And this is where you would put, a collection of SS resources. And this is where you put your description that would help your teachers identify the need and what it's covering. And then finally, where it says social studies here, I put in this topic area. But one of the holes I don't like about this material section is you can't put it in multiple topic areas. Like some resources, like the contest prep that we covered earlier, is a math and science. And I wish I could choose multiple topic areas for it to be under, but you have to put under one. And so when I go and I copy the link now, and that's the link that I just got from here, right? I'm going to go in and go to the link and paste. Okay, so now when I hit post, that resource is in there. See how it's in there twice now? So if I accidentally had something in twice, I could just roll over on the three dots and then I could delete. So that's how you add a Webmix collection of resources into your Google Classroom in the Classwork section. Just remember that if you do not put it under a particular topic area, it'll shove it at the top and you have to go in and edit and then put it into one of these headings. So that's it on how to do the social studies component that we had done earlier in class.